Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you my 6 secrets to using Russian piping tips or nozzles. Secret number 1 is to hover. Hold your piping tip just above your surface, give it a little room. If it's too close, it's just going to all smush out. If it's too far away, it's not going to stick to the surface. And we really want it to stick to the surface because that is secret number 2, which is building a base or building your foundation. The way to do this is slowly squeeze out some buttercream and then stop. Stop moving your tip and stop squeezing. If you haven't built up enough of a base, you're going to know, because when you continue your squeeze up, it's just going to separate and fall apart. Okay, so you're at the point where you've built your base and your bag is stopped and you're not squeezing. And then secret number 3 is to squeeze and pull up until your flower is as tall as you'd like. And then again, stop squeezing, stop moving, just hold it there. This brings us to secret number 4. Secret number 4 is to get jerky. So you're holding, and then I want you to quickly jerk the bag away. This is going to cause a nice clean break in your buttercream so your flower looks really nice. Okay, let's put it all together, but don't go anywhere because we still have 2 really important secrets left. So hover and then squeeze and pull up a little bit to build a base, and then stop. And then squeeze again and pull up until you have the right height, and then stop. And finally jerk the bag away to finish off your flower. All right, that brings us to secret number 5, which is to blame the buttercream. Always blame the buttercream. No, but seriously, if you don't have the right buttercream, none of this is possible. If it's not really coming out and you've built your base, then it's probably too stiff and you can add some water or milk. Or if it's too mushy and it's just not holding, then it could be too soft, and then you should add some powdered sugar. If none of those consistencies work, then you just can't blame the buttercream anymore. You have to go back and try the steps again. Last but not least, secret number 6. But before that, do you want to know what Russian ball piping tips are really intended for? Check out my other video, you may be surprised. All right, secret number 6 is to get colorful. With Russian piping tips, if you use 2 colors, they just look so much more beautiful. So you're going to want your petals to be one color and then the inside to be another color. Here's how you accomplish this. Roll out some plastic wrap, put your outside color on first, and then you're going to want to put your inside color in the middle of that and roll it around that. And then twist up your bag, cut off one side and stick it in your piping bag, and then pipe it out a little bit until you see those 2 colors, and you will have a beautiful flower with a different color on the inside than the outside. This just gives it so much more dimension. Be careful though, if it's not coming out completely, make sure your bag's not in the way. Another way to do this is to take your outside color and smear it around the outside of your piping bag, and then put your inside color in the middle of your piping bag. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.